Tired of looking at the same dull space every day? What if I told you that with just a few simple updates, you could give your room a fresh, modern look without hiring a designer? Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to pull off an easy DIY modern makeover that's budget-friendly, simple to follow, and guaranteed to transform your space into something sleek and stylish. Definition: a DIY modern makeover is the process of upgrading your space using minimal, clean design ideas, smart color choices, and small yet impactful changes you can do yourself. Why importance? Modern makeovers matter because they instantly refresh your home, improve comfort, and add value without needing a massive renovation. Plus, it's a fun and creative way to personalize your space. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with decluttering and removing outdated decor. 2. Choose a neutral color palette for walls and larger items. 3. Add statement pieces like modern lighting or a bold rug. 4. Upgrade hardware such as handles and knobs for a sleek look. 5. Style with plants, mirrors, or minimalist wall art. Tools explained. You'll need basic tools like a screwdriver, paintbrush, roller set, measuring tape, and a drill if you're swapping out fixtures. For decor, focus on lightweight, easy-to-install items. Workflow: begin by clearing your space, then paint or refresh your walls. Install new hardware and lighting next, followed by arranging furniture. Finally, finish with decor pieces to tie the look together. Quick tips: stick to 2 or 3 colors to avoid clutter. Mix textures like wood, metal, and fabric for balance. Use mirrors to make small rooms feel larger. Cost comparison: a professional designer makeover can cost thousands. But doing it yourself with affordable paint, decor, and hardware upgrades can be done for just a fraction of the price, often under a few $100s. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to give your space a modern makeover without stress or overspending. Ready to take the first step? Grab your tools, start small, and watch your home transform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY transformations you can actually do.